Hey guys, so I'm entering Balmoral Avenue. Directly in front of me is Kibo Avenue, Kingston 10. So we're on another driving video. So first of all, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. Remember to like the video, remember to leave a comment, and remember to share as well. And as usual, you know, it's Rush, your Discover boss. So today we are driving from Balmoral Road into Alpha Tree. We're just on one of the National Bakery outlet that's just off Balmoral Avenue. So we're driving from there into Alpha Tree. Stay tuned. It's another rainy afternoon as well, so the video may be a little bit darker than usual, but that's just due to the overcast condition. So another driving video on the Roshain Reviews channel. Stay tuned and enjoy the drive. Alright, so we are now on Maxfield Avenue. Passing place now like the Ministry of Transport and Mining. We're also passing the relatively new building on the left. It is a church. So it's the Universal Church. They have multi-story parking over there as well. Very big facility. There's the Universal Church of Jesus Christ. National Works Agency on the right. The Alpha Tree Police Station on the right as well. Island Traffic Authority on the left. So a few government institutions in this area. And then we have the St. Andrew, Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court, Criminal Division, that's on the right. Alright, so this is where we at. So we're on Maxfield Avenue, entering Eastwood Park Road, which run past the transport center. So stay tuned. So we have the very big Alpha Tree Transport Center on the left. It's a very, very big facility. Alright, we're now heading towards the direction of the clock. Alright, and what we'll do, we'll end the video over by York Plaza. So this is York Plaza coming up. So we'll just take a quick drive around the plaza. Alright, and we know York Pharmacy is at the front. So you have, you know, barber shop, clothes stores, repair centers, dentists, opticians. You also have a Mother's restaurant as well. So quite a few shops. York Family Dental, Nicole's Beauty Supply. At the end is the Mother's restaurant, and then those yellow buses would be the Portmore coasters. They run to Portmore. Alright guys, so just a quick video from Balmoral Avenue into Halfway Tree into York Plaza. So that was what the quick drive was about. So definitely leave your comment, guys, and remember to like, remember to subscribe, and remember to share as well. So quick drive from Balmoral Avenue to Halfway Tree right into York Plaza. Alright guys, see you on another video.